Hello. Good evening and welcome to my new video. This is just a shout out to anyone that knows anything about washing machines. It's coming towards the end of the cycle. A fast wash at 40 degrees. Extremely expensive Hotpoint Ecotech 7kg WMF 760 Aquarius Plus with a meow as well. That's included free of charge. Okay, my question is, if you're wondering why I've got a lawnmower in the kitchen, well, that would be because I kind of hoovered over it when I was lawn mowing the other day, and one is still waiting for a friend of mine to come and fix it. Bear with me, please. Hello, baby. Fine. Yes, I just wondered if this is like normal sound, because and please do not say replace the fan belt. Sorry, fan belt. Sorry, the fan belt's on the head. The belt on the washing machine. I've already done that. So I'm just going to blow it. Any second now. Carl, move up there. So we've got the Amazon rainforest, Medicinal Bloxwich. Only one bomb. What baby? Then I look back. Okay, answers on a postcard, or somebody could kindly get back to me. Don't actually think anyone will, but you know what, it looks like two eyes in a black background, fly cat eyes. Look, isn't it? Somebody's smiling at me. Okay, and I'm not on any substances. The washing machine is smiling at me. No, somebody is. Hello, Carla. Okay, answers please. I'd like to know why the washing machine is so loud now. So, excuse me for going on. I have had an extremely stressful weekend. Sorry for boring you. Sounds like boring wood. God, I need to tidy up. Tidy up. 10 seconds later. Loch Ness. Smiling at me again. What the same? This was it. Sort the life out. That is not like acid back in the day, smiley face and like cool weird shades on. Looking down on me. Okay. Hello, Carlos. Carlos. Don't look at me in that tone of voice. Harold. How rude. That's rude. In my defence, I've had a couple of Canadol and a couple of drops of the wine. And the guys are coming. Hello, smiling, cheeky Chinese face. Wow. Hello, you're laughing at me now, aren't you? the Latin washing machine, the Asian smiling washing machine, live and direct from Hospital Warsaw, West Midlands. You know what? This is the longest minute that I have ever witnessed in the last 60 seconds. It's still smiling at me. The wine's beginning to wear off. The wine. Is it my driving? Is it the fan belt snapped on the car? Never had a fan belt snap on a car. It gives you plenty of warning on the engine management. Oh yeah, I have to brake down. Oh. On the M54. The worst possible. Almost the worst possible. But I think someone's been shining down on me for this last minute. It's automatically gone to 2 minutes. Now I'm guessing a person or a housewife, and I'm not being any kind of ist. Would say, well, it's going to be 1 minute, and then on this particular cycle it's going to go up to 2 minutes, and it's going to 1 minute doesn't mean 1 minute, you know, like I'll be there in 2 minutes. Actually, no. You mean you want me to think you're going to be there in 2 minutes, but actually could stick another couple of zeros on the end, perhaps. Okay, well, guess what, people? Kylie Minogue. Oh no, battery's dying. Oh no. Oh. Please. My name is Roger. I am from Roger Land. But please don't pay any attention to this. Cheers, bye. Really? Fucking no need.com. 808. Wow. So what? 808 state. Thank you. Yes, I am. And cheers, bye.